Hello dear friends. We welcome you to our channel. Today we will present you a review of popular haircuts for women. Please watch the video until the end, and maybe you will find the haircut you need. If you have a chubby face, the wrong hairstyle can accentuate that fullness or cast shadows you may not want to see. The right haircuts for round faces, however, work with your curves instead of against them, highlighting your best features and showing off your beautiful smile, bright eyes, dimples, and other attractive characteristics. You don't have to be restricted to the same androgynous haircut you've had for years. These 50 top hairstyles are perfect for round faces and offer plenty of options, no matter what hair length, texture, or color you have. Short shaggy layers. A shaggy hairstyle is a great look for round faces because it balances out the curves of the face. Adding a bold color accentuates the layers. The best way to pull off mid-length dots for round faces is to get them layered so that the cascade of layers could sweep along the cheeks. Texture and waves are welcomed, but stay clear of locks that are too done. This can make you look doll-like. For minimizing the widening effect in haircuts for fat faces, it's better to curl the hair closer to the ends rather than from the very roots. Dear friends, when creating selections, we sincerely wish you beauty and happiness. Let all your dreams come true. Thank you for watching the video review to the end. Thank you for subscribing to our channel, put like, and sharing the video with friends and family. Click on the bell not to miss new videos. Up to new meetings.